I think the arrival of any show on a Saturday night, whether it was Brendan once and Rain now, it always ups the ante, definitely. And I've noticed even this season, since we all came back in late July and into August, the hunger in terms of delivering guests, items, ideas, and quality has been enhanced, and I attribute that to the arrival of competition. I think we've done some of our best shows since I took over the Late Late Show in the last couple of weeks, arguably, and I'm parking my humility at the door and I'm crediting the team with producing those goods as I say it. But I've also been inclined to up my own game, engaging a little more if I can, and working on the research a little more behind the scenes. So again, I attribute that to the arrival of competition.